Hola, hola amigos. Welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. Today, I'm going to teach you how to say any news in Spanish. So if you want to learn how to use this powerful question, make sure you watch until the end of the video because I'm going to show you different examples in different contexts so you can ask effectively any news in Spanish. But before we proceed any further, I wanted to apologize because I haven't uploaded for the past 2 weeks. I've been extremely busy. As you may be aware, I'm a fully qualified Spanish teacher and I work full-time in a local high school. That's right, YouTube is not my main business. It's more of a hobby. But my goal is to eventually dedicate myself to producing videos for you. And by the way, I'm going to thank all the people that give me a super thanks at the end of the video. Thank you so much, my amigos. And as I said before, I upload weekly and I cover grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, music, stories. Click that button and subscribe. Join me. Muy bien. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? Comencemos. Today's lesson is entitled How to Say Any News in Spanish. So if you want to learn how to ask any news in Spanish, you've come to the right place. Make sure you practice aloud. Listen to the way I pronounce and copy my pronunciation. Okay, are you ready? If you want to say any news in Spanish, you would say alguna noticia. Alguna noticia. Alguna noticia. Any news. Listen and repeat. Alguna noticia. Alguna noticia. If you want to ask, do you have any news? You would say, ¿Tienes alguna noticia? ¿Tienes? Do you have? Alguna, any, noticia, news. ¿Tienes alguna noticia? Repeat. ¿Tienes alguna noticia? If you want to say any news about it, you would say ¿Alguna noticia al respecto? ¿Alguna noticia al respecto? Una vez más. One more time. ¿Alguna noticia al respecto? Don't forget, it is extremely important that you pronounce after me. Any good news? ¿Alguna noticia buena? ¿Alguna noticia buena? One more time. Una vez más. ¿Alguna noticia buena? That means any good news? You're doing very well. Continuemos. If you want to say, let me know if you hear any news, you would say, avísame si escuchas alguna noticia. Avísame, let me know, si escuchas, if you hear alguna noticia, any news. Avísame si escuchas alguna noticia. Another example, otro ejemplo. So, if you have any news, please let me know. Si tienes alguna noticia, por favor, avísame. Si tienes alguna noticia, por favor, avísame. Si tienes alguna noticia, por favor, avísame. The more you repeat these sentences, the more you will remember them. Any news? ¿Alguna noticia? Any news? ¿Alguna noticia? ¿Alguna noticia? Don't forget, repetition is extremely important. feel free to rewind this video and watch it again. Okay, if you're ready for the listening skills exercise, let us proceed. So now we're going to do our Spanish listening exercises. And once again, you can evaluate your understanding in Spanish, your pronunciation, and your listening skills by following the next exercise. Hey, tú. Sí, tú. Click the button. Suscríbete. Subscribe. Come on. Don't miss out. Click that button and subscribe. In that way, you will be alerted when I upload videos. Okay, so I hope you really enjoy those examples. Any news in Spanish? Now, we're going to do our listening skills exercise. So let us tune our ears, let's tune our listening skills, and let's get ready to start thinking, listening, pronouncing in Spanish. At the count of 3. A la cuenta de 3. 1, 2, 3. Oye, ¿alguna noticia? ¿Conseguiste las entradas para el concierto? ¿Sí? ¿Aún no? ¿Alguna noticia si las entradas van a salir a la venta hoy o mañana? Yo quiero ir al concierto, pero no he podido encontrar entradas. ¿Alguna noticia sobre cómo obtenerlas? A mí me gusta mucho la música en español, en inglés, en italiano, en francés. Pero me gusta mucho el pop latino y quiero ir a un concierto. Estoy esperando que salgan a la venta las entradas para un concierto en Sudamérica. ¿Alguna noticia cuánto valdrán las entradas? ¿Alguna noticia si María logró obtener entradas? Yo tengo muchas ganas de asistir al concierto. Okay, so now we're going to speed up speaking, and I'm going to speak as a native speaker. I am a native speaker, and we usually speak a little bit faster. So, ¿estás listo? Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? 1, 2, 3. ¿Alguna noticia si van a haber otros conciertos? Yo quiero ir al concierto de Luis Miguel. No he podido encontrar entradas. He procurado encontrar una entrada y es imposible. Se vendieron todos los conciertos en Chile, en Argentina, en México y en Estados Unidos. No lo puedo creer. ¿Alguna noticia si volverán a vender más entradas? ¿Alguna noticia sobre cuánto costarán las entradas para el concierto? ¿Alguna noticia de cómo conseguir entradas en las primeras filas? Uy, estoy muy nervioso porque quiero esta noche comprar entradas para un nuevo concierto que se va a anunciar. Espero. Muy bien, amigos. I hope that you were able to understand some of the things that I said to you. And don't forget that I add subtitles. So check in a couple of days, 3 days, and you will be able to follow along both in Spanish and English. I've been trying to complete a few new videos with new formats. I did upload one. It was a travel vlog. It wasn't very successful. So this is one of the reasons why I haven't uploaded that format yet. However, there are people that really enjoy it and really like it. So I'm thinking about uploading the second part of that travel vlog. And I also want to experiment with Spanish vlogs in which you can actually learn new vocabulary, pronunciation, sentences, syntax, and conversational Spanish. So let me know in your comments if you would like me to upload those videos. And if I do, please try to support them because that will help me to get the idea whether you like that type of format or whether I should just continue only doing this type of videos. If I do those Spanish vlogs, it doesn't mean I would stop producing this type of videos. I would still upload them weekly, but you would gain actually an extra video a week, an additional format a week also. So let me know in your comments. And thank you so much to those people that gave me a super thanks. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're making it possible for me to start setting aside more time and dedicate myself each day more and more to be to being able to produce videos for you every week. Muy bien, amigos, take care. Check my other videos. I'm going to leave that Spanish vlog link here. Have a look at it and tell me what you thought about it. Muy bien, amigos, cuídate y nos vemos pronto. Adiós. Ciao, ciao. And as I said before at the start of the video, I wanted to thank Paul Castro, Elodie Salgado, Daniel, The World According to Ali. By the way, she's got a really good channel. You should check it out. My dear amigo Wayne Chasen, thank you so much for your comment as well. Ingrid Rengifo, thank you so much. Thank you, Ingrid D. Big Thoughts, thank you so much. Cara Family, thank you so much. David Layton, Inez, thank you so much. Also, Serge, thank you so much for your unconditional support. I love you all.